and the softwares. So what do you need? Actually, you don't need Eclipse also. You can try it out in simple Notepad, which I'll be going later, not today. But for now, you can download the Eclipse. I have 2021 package. You can download latest package and install it. I'll share this link. Okay. So now, without getting late, let's not go more into theory. Let's directly dive into the first program. So it's going to be Greek and Latin for you, but just bear with me. Just follow it. Whatever, whatever is being discussed in that program will be explained to you at the right time. So don't try to understand the program word by word today. Okay. Any questions so far?
No.
No.
Okay, good. So I'll go to the Eclipse now.
వస్తున్నాను.
So the Eclipse IDE I am using is version 2021 March. It was released previous month. It's 4.19. Okay. So let's go into our first program. Then we will start going through each of the concepts. I always believe I have a different methodology, so which has been working out all these years. So it's my duty and my job to make sure that you understand every single concepts from the basics to the advanced. So just follow with me. What we'll be doing in the first program, this is what. When I run it, it's going to ask a question. Hey champ, what's your name? I'm going to give Rajesh, and I'll give Q for quit. It's going to tell, welcome Rajesh. Oh, you were able to write your first program. This will cover around 70% of your core Java. Just by writing this program is going to cover 70%. So we'll start the program. No worries if you don't understand the technical jargon of it, just note down, and also it's being recorded. So anytime you can play and do it. But even if you don't understand, what I would recommend is just write this program in your home and run it in the same way before you come for the next class. Slowly we'll start decrypting all these words in the program. Whatever we have, everything will start going through one by one, and that would cover majority of the topic. So first is we go to file, new, project. Don't worry about anything else. File, new project, Java project. Next, April 12. That's my project. So I'll use Java 15. I'm using Java 15. The Eclipse comes by default with a Java, so you need not do anything else here. Just give on this one and click on next, and click finish. No changes in any of the screens. Don't create. Perspective. Someone waiting. I got a chat. Permission to record the session. Actually, the session is being recorded, Vishnu. You can contact Kalpana after the session. She'll be able to give you the link. Okay. So we have created our first project. It has nothing in it. The folder is empty. Following, right?
Yes.
Can I get a response so that I'll ensure that I'm not lost. I should not be like talking that with my microphone not audible. So if you can please respond, it will be great from your end.
Yes, Rajesh.
Thank you very much. So we have created just one simple project with blank project with no other files in it. I'll right click now, new. We'll create one first class. So this will be the class can be anything. Don't worry about anything here. Don't worry about the public package, all these things. We'll slowly understand everything as we progress by the end of this week. We just give April. For now, before you go, just try out few things. I'll do APRIL. Okay, I got this warning. Just focus here. The use of default package is discouraged. Okay. If you don't understand, no problem. Just focus there. I give now April, no change. If I give a space, the type name is not valid. A Java type name must not start or end with a blank. So first thing you learned is the class name should not be having a blank. You should not give a space. Okay. Now what happens if I give a number? It is accepting. What happens if I give number at the start? The type name is not valid. Then type name 1 is not a valid identifier. So the second point you have learned is class name cannot start with a numeric value. The class name can have a uppercase or a lowercase, but it should be an alpha. Only letters are allowed. Secondly, the class name cannot have a space in it. Either it can be start or end. Clear? I create the class. We have nothing here, just public class name, uh, flower bracket and a flower bracket. Followed so far?
Yes.
Okay.
Rajesh, could you please repeat? I'm sorry about that.
So from where you want me to repeat?
Yeah, you are creating the class, right?
Yeah. So I just right clicked on this package. I click on new. I went to create class. I I just wanted you to focus whether this is allowing a blank space at the end. If I give a space, it's telling error. So Java class cannot have a space. That is the first point you are learning. And second is, what if a Java class can type already exists? Okay, I'll give April 1. So what if Java class is having number at the end? It is allowing, but if I give number at the starting, it would not allow. So I just want you to focus on this and grab that the class cannot start with a number. Class cannot have space. That's all. Okay. So I created class. So this is just a file. Okay. If you don't if you don't know Java, this is just a file. April.java is a file. It is having some syntax in it. We'll not worry about the syntax now. Now what I'll do is you give MAIN and control space. Just note it down, control space. There would be some suggestion. Throughout this Eclipse, control space will give you the suggestions. So click on main. That it is telling something as main. Just and next to that, you see here something is there. Public static void main, which means when I click this, this syntax would be coming up. I double click here, it has come up automatically. This is step number 2. And step number 3, again I'm telling, don't worry if you don't know any words, don't try to understand any words, don't try to link any words now. I'm here to understand, I make you understand every single word in this file, every single letter. That's my job. I'll take care of it. So now don't worry, just note down the steps as it is. Third step, SYSOUT, sys out. Again, control space. Automatically the Eclipse would fill as system.out.println. These are all shortcuts. SYSOUT, sysout, and do control space. So the Eclipse would fill automatically. Now here you print welcome to the session. What is your name? So far clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all. We have completed our first program. We'll just run. There is a small run button here. Run April, or else right click. So note down all these things. You can click here and run. You can right click. You can click on run as Java application. Next to that, there is a small hint. Alt Shift X and J. So if I'm going to press Alt Shift X, a small pop-up would come up on the right side, giving you all the hint. Now you just press J, the application will run. And here it is. Welcome to the session. What is your name? So we have run successfully the first program just in 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Formatting is Control Shift F. Control Shift F would format the lines. Even if you have, let's say you have like this, and this is not properly formatted. Let's assume it is like this. Control Shift F would automatically make the file neat according to the standard. Okay, so far any questions?
No.
No. Okay, great.
Rajesh,
Yes, please.
you written that public static void main, right?
Yes.
Could you please explain why we are writing that line?
Yes, I will explain. I'll explain every single word. I'll explain everything. But the first step I wanted is like when you get a new mobile phone, you rather than trying out how it is working, you will be first interested in the wow factor, right? You want to experience something. Wow, I'm using the phone. I am just going to YouTube. I can surf all these things, right? So that is what I wanted first you to give you. I want you to just run the program and see that, okay, whatever I've written, something has come out rather than going through a long 1 hour session. And then if I start telling you public is this much, what is this, what is class, you'll be bored. Instead of that, let's first have something running. Slowly we'll debug and go inside. I'll explain you. Okay.
Because I am zero, I am new to Java. That's it.
You are?
I am new to Java.
Yeah. So since you said you are new to Java, I came from a triple E background.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, if you know, right, anyone is from non-IT background like you?
Yeah, I'm from Tripoli.
Yeah. So non-IT background people will be more cautious in learning this language. The reason is,
More
anyone
confusion too.
wants to guess?
Because
Why?
you guys don't know, right? Why
Correct.
it's work.
That is exactly the IT guys, right? Don't mistake me. Based on the experience, I'm telling the IT guys in their college, they would have got that this is 1 mark question. This is an important. This is a long answer. Struct is a long answer in C. So all these things, since they have int is a very small one answer, 1 mark question. Even if I don't read, no problem. And so all these things, since they have already know, the brain is tuned that this is important, this is not important. So when they learn a language, they relate with the whatever was taught in the college. But for a non-IT student, it is completely new. Whatever I'm telling will be important for you. Let's say if I tell this brace has to be next to this ARGS in the same line, you will follow ditto whatever I'm telling. But to an IT student, if I tell, they'll tell what makes it difference. Even if I give it here or here, it's not going to make any difference. But to a new person, whatever I tell will be the Bible for them, right? So that's why I said, if you are a non-IT, just give a pat on your back. You will be learning it in a more what is it, more organized way. So I've also been from a triple E background, so it's very easy. Okay, so we have run our first program now. Everyone clear? 26 of them. So just take some time to reply, please.
Yes.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yeah, great. Because only if you reply,
Yes.
great. Thank you. Through mic or through chat, I'll be happy to listen.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's add one more set of things.